Let's create a digital journal in PowerPoint. We are going to use the digital I can't say digital today, digital journal template from PDF-Linkr, obviously. Let me go to that one in PowerPoint. So once you download the template, you want to make a copy because you always want to work with the copy so you have the original. So let me just open up Windows here and PowerPoint. And what it will open up to is this master view. And here are your master pages. So the first thing you want to do is edit your master page. So we want to click this little box that brings it over here. So this is your front cover, and we're going to use a picture fill. And I'm going to choose from a file, and the patterns are all included in the template. So I'm just going to pick Floral 8, and then you can slide the transparency. I don't want to hide background graphics. You can slide the transparency, not on that one, to show the to show the curved edge, so you get that little shadowed curved edge. So then I want to change the fill on my little planner band, so I'm just going to use my eyedropper and select that, and then also change the transparency. So I will do the same thing for my back cover. And then the same for my cover back here. And then I want to select my planner band. And then I want to select all of my tabs and change those. So now when I close the master view, then I have all of my pages ready to go. So now what I want to do is I want to run a macro to create all of my inner pages. So I'm going to go to Developer, and I'm going to go to Macros. And this macro is included in the template pack. Where's my macro? Sorry. There it is. So what I want to do is I want to just edit this because I want it to be page number 2, and I want to duplicate it since there's already one. I just want to duplicate it 30 times, and I'm going to tell it to run. And that is done. So it created my 31 pages for my planner. So now what I want to do is I want to export this as a PDF. So I want to save it, and then I want to go to File, Export, Create PDF, and we're just going to call that PowerPoint. So I know which file I'm working with. And it will publish that as a PDF. There we go. I don't want to open it, actually, but we'll just say that's fine. So here is our planner, but I'm going to close that because now I'm going to open PDF-Linkr because I want to use that PDF and what I want to do is load it in the viewer and select this area because now we're going to add all of our links. We're not going to add those links in PowerPoint. We are going to do it with PDF-Linkr. So I selected that done for you CSV, and I'm just going to hit process page links, and it's going to go through and add all of those links to all of those tabs to all of our pages for us, and it's done. So then I will have an updated journal. There it is. And all of my links are there for all of my pages. So that's how you do a digital journal notebook in PowerPoint.